Look at all these birds. Holy shit. They keep flying in from all over the place. All over my car. I ran to my car because they were flying over my head. I didn't want to get shat on. They're all eating stuff in the ground. I don't know if they're eating bugs or leaves or what. I scared some of them, but not very many. Holy crap! Look at all these coming in. They're all flying right in here. Just right in this mall parking lot little area. Just look at that. Look at them all coming in. It's like little fucking locusts. And they're all flying right to here. They're still coming. They're flying in from trees over there and over that way. There's shit all over my window, as you can tell. Just holy shit. Oh, look at them all come back and go again. Oh man, that is priceless. And all back. Damn, nature. You scary.